The aviation industry is no stranger to groundbreaking developments, but Emirates' latest plan for the Airbus A350 promises to redefine the limits of luxury, efficiency, and technology in air travel. This ambitious venture has the potential to send shockwaves through the entire aviation industry, challenging competitors and setting new benchmarks for innovation. The move is not just about adding a new aircraft to their fleet. It represents a comprehensive overhaul of what passengers and the industry can expect from commercial aviation. Before we start, smash the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. The Airbus A350 is already a well-regarded aircraft, celebrated for its advanced aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, and passenger comfort. Its long-range capabilities make it ideal for Emirates, a carrier known for its extensive global network. However, Emirates' plans go beyond simply utilizing the A350's existing strengths. They are set to transform these aircraft into flying palaces, incorporating cutting-edge technology and unmatched luxury. One of the standout features of the A350 is its use of carbon fiber reinforced polymer in the fuselage and wings, which reduces weight and increases fuel efficiency. This design choice is crucial in an industry where fuel costs represent a significant portion of operating expenses. By maximizing fuel efficiency, Emirates can reduce operational costs, which could translate into more competitive ticket prices or higher margins for reinvestment into further innovations. Emirates has long been synonymous with luxury in air travel, thanks to their iconic first-class suites, onboard showers, and lounge areas. Their new plan for the Airbus A350 takes this a step further. Reports suggest that Emirates is planning to introduce private suites that rival those found in the most opulent hotels, complete with personal living spaces, expansive bathrooms, and even dedicated dining areas. These suites are designed to cater to high-net-worth individuals who demand privacy and exclusivity, essentially transforming the A350 into a flying boutique hotel. Moreover, Emirates is focusing on enhancing the in-flight experience with the latest technology. High-speed internet, state-of-the-art entertainment systems, and personalized service robots are just some of the innovations passengers can expect. The goal is to create an environment where passengers can seamlessly transition from their ground-based lives to the skies without missing a beat. Emirates' bold move puts pressure on other major airlines and aircraft manufacturers. Competitors such as Qatar Airways, Singapore Airlines, and Cathay Pacific have also invested heavily in their fleets, often using similar aircraft like the A350 or Boeing 787 Dreamliner. These carriers will now face the challenge of matching or exceeding the standards set by Emirates, potentially triggering a new wave of competition focused on luxury and technology. Boeing, Airbus's main competitor, will also feel the heat. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, known for its efficiency and passenger comfort, has been a significant player in the market. However, Emirates' enhancements to the A350 may prompt Boeing to accelerate their innovation efforts, possibly revisiting or enhancing their own aircraft designs. The industry could see an arms race of sorts, with airlines and manufacturers alike striving to outdo one another. The ripple effects of Emirates' plan extend beyond just competition. This move is likely to have significant economic implications for the aviation sector. The development and implementation of these luxurious and technologically advanced aircraft requires substantial investment in R&D, manufacturing, and specialized training for airline staff. This surge in demand can drive growth in aerospace engineering, tech innovation, and associated service industries. Furthermore, airports around the world may need to upgrade their facilities to accommodate the new standards set by Emirates. This could mean more spacious lounges, enhanced boarding processes, and improved ground services to ensure the luxurious experience begins before passengers even step onto the plane. In an era where environmental concerns are increasingly at the forefront, Emirates' plan also incorporates significant eco-friendly initiatives. The A350 is already designed to be more fuel efficient and produce fewer emissions than previous generation aircraft. Emirates is taking this further by exploring the use of sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, and other green technologies to minimize their environmental footprint. This dual approach of luxury and sustainability positions Emirates as a forward-thinking airline that caters to both high-end passengers and environmentally conscious travelers. It also sets a precedent for other airlines to follow, potentially accelerating the adoption of green technologies across the industry. For passengers, the changes herald a new era of air travel where comfort and convenience are paramount. Emirates' commitment to passenger well-being is evident in their plans to introduce advanced air filtration systems, ensuring cleaner air and reducing the risk of airborne illnesses. Enhanced cabin pressure and humidity controls will also contribute to a more comfortable and less fatiguing flight experience. The integration of cutting-edge technology extends to personalized services. Passengers can expect biometric boarding processes, reducing the time spent in queues and streamlining the overall travel experience. In-flight AI-powered service robots can cater to individual needs, whether it's adjusting the cabin lighting, providing entertainment recommendations, or even offering health and wellness advice. Emirates' new A350 plan emphasizes seamless connectivity, crucial for long-haul travel. High-speed internet, real-time communication capabilities, and advanced entertainment systems ensure that passengers remain connected to the world below. This focus on connectivity is particularly appealing to business travelers who need to work efficiently while on the move. Additionally, the design of the new A350 cabins promotes social interaction and collaboration, with communal spaces that encourage networking and relaxation. This blend of privacy and communal areas caters to a wide range of passenger needs, from solo travelers seeking solitude to groups looking to socialize. Emirates' plan is likely to have a far-reaching impact on the aviation industry. By setting new standards for luxury, technology, and sustainability, Emirates is challenging other airlines to elevate their offerings. This could lead to a renaissance in aircraft design and passenger experience, with airlines investing more in R&D to keep pace. The competitive pressure may also drive advancements in aircraft manufacturing, prompting companies like Airbus and Boeing to innovate at an accelerated pace. This innovation could result in more efficient and eco-friendly aircraft, benefiting the industry and the environment as a whole. However, implementing such a transformative plan is not without its challenges. Regulatory bodies will need to approve the new technologies and design changes, which can be a lengthy and complex process. Emirates will need to work closely with aviation authorities to ensure compliance with safety and operational standards. Infrastructure at airports will also need to adapt. The enhanced luxury offerings may require modifications to existing airport facilities, such as larger boarding areas and more sophisticated lounges. Emirates will need to collaborate with airports worldwide to ensure a seamless experience for their passengers. The journey ahead for Emirates and the aviation industry is filled with both opportunities and challenges. Emirates' ambitious vision sets a new trajectory, encouraging advancements that could lead to smarter, more sustainable, and ultimately more enjoyable air travel experiences. As the industry adapts and evolves in response to these innovations, the true beneficiaries will be the passengers who experience a level of service and comfort previously thought impossible. Emirates' daring plan for the Airbus A350 is not just a leap forward for one airline, but a significant stride toward the future of global aviation. By pushing the boundaries of luxury, technology, and sustainability, Emirates is not only redefining its own standards, but also setting a new benchmark for the entire aviation industry. This bold initiative promises to revolutionize air travel, offering passengers an unparalleled experience and inspiring competitors to innovate and elevate their services. Emirates' insane new plan for the Airbus A350 represents a bold vision for the future of aviation. By combining unparalleled luxury, advanced technology, and a commitment to sustainability, Emirates is poised to set new benchmarks in the industry. This move not only enhances their competitive edge, but also pushes the entire aviation sector towards greater innovation and excellence. As other airlines and manufacturers respond to this challenge, passengers can look forward to a new era of air travel where comfort, convenience, and environmental consciousness are prioritized. Emirates' ambitious plan is more than just an upgrade. It is a revolutionary step that could reshape the aviation landscape for years to come. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave your comments below and tell us, do you think Emirates' A350 plan will revolutionize aviation? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.